How you doing? This is Chris with Old Liberty Structures. Just want to profile this metal building that we sold to a customer here in Bedford County. They wanted a horse barn, and so a horse barn where they can have run-ins for their horses. They wanted a hay area and also a tack room. So on the 24 by 40 building, what we did is we put a wall all the way down the middle of the building. Okay, so they can have a 24 foot wide, put a wall all the way down the building, so they have a 12 by 40 foot running area. And so what they did is they came in here and took some boards and mounted them to the walls, kickboards for the horses so they stay off of the metal. And we did 3 framed openings. As you can see how high it is. They have 12 foot tall walls, so it's about 15 feet in the middle. So as you can see with the framed openings, the horses have free rein to get out of the rain, get out of the snow, out of the wind, but they can come and go as they please. And we'll take you to the other side. Okay, so this is the other side of the barn. We just showed you the horse side. This side over here, on the other side of that dividing wall, we still have a 12 by 40 side of the building over here. And what we did here is we gave them a 20 foot wide framed opening, so they can bring their tractor in, store the hay, and now they have a hay area that's separate from the horses, so the horses can't get to the hay. And then there's a wall over here. There's a wall over here that we had put in when the building was being built. And then over here, there's a door, obviously, and this is a tack area, so they can store their feed. They can store saddles and equipment that they want to keep out of the weather and also away from the horses. So this is a separate building altogether. So this 24 by 40 barn has a 12 by 40 horse run-in with 3 framed openings. It has a 15 foot by 12 foot tack room and a 25 foot by 12 foot hay storage area. So again, this is a great alternative to a wood structure or a pole barn building, and for the cost, and it's just another way of thinking about metal buildings. I hope you like this, and contact us at Old Liberty Structures and see if we can help you out, and check out our website, www.oldlibertystructures.com. Thank you.